What should I know about marijuana, DUI, or OVI in Ohio? I'm Shawn Dominy. I'm a DUI lawyer with the Dominy Law Firm in Columbus, Ohio, and this video is going to answer that question. You know, DUI is typically thought of as driving under the influence of alcohol. First of all, it's called OVI in Ohio, and second, it's not just alcohol, it's also marijuana. In fact, there are 4 different types of marijuana OVI charges, but we'll cover that in another video. For now, let's talk about the investigations for these types of cases. They usually start with a traffic stop or an auto accident or some other contact between the driver and a police officer, and the police officer believes that the driver's under the influence of marijuana. If that happens, the officer administers field sobriety tests, and if he or she believes they have probable cause to believe the person's under the influence of marijuana, they arrest the driver and take them to jail or to a police station. At the police station or the jail, they may do a separate series of tests called a drug recognition evaluation, and there's a separate video on that as well. I'm often asked, well, if you can be charged with OVI for marijuana, are the consequences different than alcohol? And the answer is no. The sentences are the same. So for example, on a first offense, you can get a license suspension up to 3 years, the jail term up to 6 months, up to 5 years of probation, and a $1,075 fine. For second offense or more, then the consequences get increasingly severe. Also, you should know the defenses are essentially the same. So you have the Fourth Amendment issues, like was the stop justified? Was the officer justified in doing these tests? Was the arrest justified? Those types of things. We also have issues related to the drug recognition evaluations, which are really subject to problems, and we can explore those problems. And then you have issues, if there was a blood or urine test, issues with the testing and defenses related to those. So there are a lot of things to think about when you're charged with this type of offense. I think the way you should approach it, though, is ask yourself 3 questions. Do I want to just go in and plead guilty, or do I want to contest the charge and try to improve the outcome? Number 2, do I want to hire a lawyer? And number 3, which lawyer should I hire? Well, we hope that if you decide to hire a lawyer, you will look at all the videos that we have and all of the website pages that we have, and that will help you inform yourself as you make that decision. And if you decide you'd like to talk to us about representation, there are a couple ways that you can arrange a free phone consultation to do that. You can call the number on the screen, or you can submit a contact form through our website. Either way, we'd be glad to talk with you, and we hope that this information has been helpful.